Hey family, this is Darlene. I wanted to come really quick because I got my order from Miss Rita, and it might have gotten to my mailbox 2 or 3 days ago. I don't know. I don't check my mailbox every day, but I do get like one of the notifications through USPS delivery where it tells you in your email if you got mail, and it's kind of scanned and you can see what's there if you got packages or whatever. So I want to say 2 or 3 days ago, but I don't check my mail every day. So I went to the box this morning and got out all the mail, right? So I wanted to show you guys the beads. I just got them this morning. Haven't looked at them yet. She put her cards in, and this is one of them. And Miss Rita is in the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone Facebook page. So if you see, when you see the beads, if you like the beads, that's where you can find her. Or she has some information on here too. So hopefully you can see that. Okay, so these are business cards, and these are some of the bracelets that the last set of beads that I got from her, and I made some bracelets using the painted beads. So this gives you an idea about what her beads looks like. So let's see what we got. And I ordered, I think 20. Oh my. Oh my. And the quality is like amazing. Look, hopefully you guys can see the quality of the beads. Hand painted. So these are really, really nice. I'm going to be making up some stuff. It won't be until the weekend because I'm still working on, these are really nice. Still working on the digital magazine. Oh my God. These are really, really nice. Love them. Love them. Love, love, love. So we got these. And then look at the design. How detailed. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Really, really nice. I mean, just really, really nice. Amazing. Good job, Miss Rita. Man, good job. Look at this. I love every one of these. Absolutely amazing. Look, just pretty. Every one of them. Look at this. I mean, really, really, really nice beads. Really, really pretty. I like all the colors. I like the patterns, just the way. I'm in love with this one specifically. I really like this. I like them all. And here are the rounded ones. Oops. Just really nice. Look at this. Really, really pretty. And there's no smell. There's like not anything. I've gotten things, and where people have hand painted or they've done something, to whatever the wood bead is, and you can smell whatever material that they use. But I don't smell anything. I mean, these are like really, really nice. These are real. I'm not surprised though. These are really, really nice. Love them. Love, love, love. Ooh, I'm going to be making up some stuff for real. Look at this. And even like the little dots on the bottom, look. Just amazing. Look at that. Wow. And I know these took some time to make. Every dot in the right place. Like, just look. I need to stop, but I'm like absolutely amazed. Like, look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Miss Rita. I mean, just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Absolutely. And I'll be putting in another order too. Absolutely amazing. I love them. Love, 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 love these. Thank you. Appreciate it. And then I'll come back and show you guys what I I'm not sure if I'm gonna make bracelets like what I did right here, and that's probably what I will do, make bracelets. And I'm still getting ready for that 4-day weekend, starting with Small Business Saturday on November the 27th, and then it goes all the way through. So you got Sunday, November the 28th, which is a buy whatever you want to buy type Sunday. And then you have Cyber Monday, which is on November the 29th. And I'm aware of Black Friday, November the 26th, but because of the history behind November the 26th, well, Black Friday, I'm really not a fan of Black Friday, but there will be discounts on the jewelrybybdk.com website, but I never promote Black Friday. You know, and people will ask me about that. Well, why you don't? Well, because of history. Learn the history behind that. And then, you know, and if you're not a black person, it really doesn't matter to you. And even if you are a black person, to some black people, it don't matter to them. But I don't, you know, flow with the Black Friday thing. But anyway, wanted to show you guys these. I'm getting all off on a tangent. Y'all know how I do. Just wanted to share Miss Rita's beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful work. And again, here's her card. And you can find her in the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone Facebook group if you are interested in her works. Okay? And guess what? We'll talk soon. Oh, also, if you have not subscribed to the Jewelry by BDK email list and you want to receive the monthly digital magazine, go over to jewelrybybdk.com, subscribe to the email list, and next week is when the first digital magazine will go out. And I am going to be sending that digital magazine out every month. It'll have, of course, jewelry. It'll have jewelry in there. It'll have all type of articles in there. Just some really good stuff. And I want to say very useful content. If you have a small business, if you are a jewelry maker, candle maker, whatever it is that you do, if you hand make items, I believe that the information will be very valuable. In addition to that, if you go to jewelrybybdk.com, on there, and if you go under ebooks, I have what's called The Business of a Micro Business. It's a 58-page manual/workbook. And when I say absolutely amazing, it's amazing, and it triggers thought. It makes you think about your concept. It makes you think about your business. It makes you think. And then you have to write the vision down. So it's a workbook, a manual/workbook. So if you're interested in that, jewelrybybdk.com, go to ebooks. You do shop, click on shop, go to the bottom, click on ebooks, and there are 3 different ebooks in there. The other one is email marketing, and there are 4 different styles of emails that one should master to be able to build brand loyalty. So there's some pretty good stuff up in there, and we'll talk soon.